Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Exploding Kittens. You ever played that? We are going to go through every single deck. Yeah, you'll see a different video for Kellen's thing, but yeah. Diarrhea. Slap.
Stupid. Oh! I got the worst part.
Boom, 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 boom. I'm sorry, guys. Hey, Kellen. Hey, Kellen.
Hello. I'm so scared.
I'm so scared.
I fear nothing.
I fear nothing. Oh! Okay. Yeah. Oh, I wanted to give you my poopy card. Oh my gosh, I'm choosing a different card. It won't let me choose a different. Oh, I swear that was right. Yep, you have my diffuse. Can you stop?
Hey, Red, I'm going to use your diffuse. Diffuse over here.
If that was your diffuse. No, it's not diarrhea. Hey, Kel.
Hey, Red.
I don't want to draw it. Here, I'll just let the game draw it for me. I'm joking.
Meow, it's here. Polar bear, polar bear, polar bear.
Shut up!
Polar bear.
I have exploded.
Next game. Unchange it.
Okay.
Unchange it.
Betray! Yeah, Kellen just betrayed me.
Betrayal me.
Bro. I swear, if there's that diffuse on the top. Fa-cha. Fa-cha.
I don't like you.
Fa-cha. Fa-cha. Why? Wait, why would I do that? Why would I? Why would I? Just don't do that!
I feel bad for you.
Gosh.
Um,
Should I be scared?
Potentially. Dang it. The question is, do you have a skin?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I'm so scared.
Toaster cat, the fears expert.
Okay, it's 1-to-1. Play again. Now you have to change the game.
1-to-1.
I was so confident.
Okay, and now we're doing the streaking kitten.
My favorite thing. My favorite pack.
Yeah, it's actually can be the best. Depends on your luck. Hey, I'm going to need the sound up for this one.
I don't like you. You have to get rid of one of your cards.
I have no idea what card is which.
Of course, I got my card back.
You got my diffuse!
No, I got my card back.
Where's my diffusing?
You lost your diffuse? Brett lost his diffuser later.
How? Can you just... I really don't want to play my streaky kitten.
You still have another turn. You quit.
You know, this is where I'm going to start being toxic. Yay. There you go. 2-1. Most attacked card collector. I got both of them. There was no diffuser thing.
Yeah, because no one got a diffuser. I hate you. 9990.
Okay, now we're doing the barking kittens.
This game is funny. But also, I'm just being toxic and end up beating myself up. Give you one card.
Hey, go. What if I said steal a card?
I hate you. What's this do? What? Oh.
I don't know. Did you not know that?
No! Thinks I'm some sort of mastermind.
Hey, Kellen. How? I think I want to do that.
What does the barking kitten do?
Yo! I was automatically playing that. I will take that. It's going to be an exploding kitten. No, please. If you...
you just lost.
You. I mean, you could have ended it earlier.